forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Unjed.
Oh, Chelsea.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure.
Ukraine.
Fresh.
Yeah, mfethu asingamoshi isikhathi kulate siyavuka nasekuseni.
Yes, man.
Sibo bengingakutshela before, I think last season. Ngathi kuyena if we midfielder.
Yeah.
Kuyafana nokuthi udriver wemoto ne?
Yes.
Basically imoto iyakudinga wena ukuze yenze njani? Ukuze ihambe. All right. I guess bele last Sibo. If imoto A1 i-driver abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Today driver omunye umuntu.
Yeah.
Ekuseni driver omunye umuntu, ntambama driver omunye umuntu, kusasa driver omunye umuntu. Leyo moto leyo izoba njani? Izomosheka.
Yeah.
Right? So lento ngibuyisela la Sibo.
Motors EVs.
Yeah, asicheckeni la Sibo.
Rental cars.
Asicheke la Chiefs versus Stellenbosch iNetbank. Ngifuna asicheke la esiswini ukuthi bekuqala bobani. Bekuqala uMabaso, uNdlovu, uShabalala.
Sure.
Next game, Chiefs I think versus Al-Masri.
Yeah.
Esiswini bekuqala uMabuwe, uNdlovu, uShabalala.
Sure.
Yabo sechange.
Yeah.
Next game, Chiefs versus Zamalek. Ndlovu, Mabuwe, Matlo.
Change again.
Okay, next game, Chiefs. Isenza yabo kuqala bani versus Stellenbosch again kwi-league. Ngobo, Mabuwe, Chislett.
Again.
Alright. Siyene gemini yani.
Honestly dingile.
Siyene gemini ebhakane. Alright, bathi ukuyibamba kancane. Kwazobo bani, kwazobo Mabuwe, uNgobo no Chislett.
Sure.
Size gemini Richards Bay today. Umthethwa, uMabuwe, Chislett.
Sure.
Which means lama game lawa I think ayi6 engiwacountile. Isisu sabo sichange kangaki? Ayi5. Ngibuyisela backland. Imoto driver inoma ubani. Ayikho into enhle ezophuma kuleyo moto. Kunalokho izokwenza njani? Izomosheka. Same as ubackline. Today kudlala bo cross, i-center yabe ya change. Nini u-cross udlala i-center back, kunabo Shinga, kunabo Msimango. So lento ngibuyisela back thina imoto if driver inoma ubani.
Ukhuluma ngabo coach babo Minier.
Even ama players.
Ngiyakuthola.
Lama combinations abalobe wa change ayibona amosha yonke lento. You need to be consistent.
Yeah.
All right. Asibeleni lana Sibo. Ngihleze ngitshela ngithi football is a game of patterns. Right? And then mamela ke ama patterns ahlukene kayi2.
Sure.
Kunama patterns are negative nama patterns anjani? Are positive.
Yeah.
For mina ngine worry with ama analysts the Chiefs because i-Chiefs ilokhu repeat ama mistake. I won. Okanye ama mistake afanayo.
Over and over.
Previous 4 games bengitshela ukuthi they are ball watching. Today first half uShinga ushaya mistake.
Sure.
Richards Bay yahlule ukushaya turnover.
Yeah.
Iyaphinda futhi Chiefs ishaya mistake khona la uSolomon khona challenge khona uGumedo wazwala imali.
Yeah.
Yahluleka Richards Bay ukwenza njani ukcapitalize. Yabuya nge-first half i-Chiefs uMakhadi bashaya mistake. I-Richards Bay yamthatha uMakhadi wagcina enza ifoul before i-half time.
Sure.
Remember with analyze ibhola kanye ama-analysis, you have a pre-match analysis, we have the actual match analysis, and then you have a post-match analysis. I-pre-match ile uyenza before i-game, and then i-actual match ile uyenza ngalesikhathi i-game idlala, because even i-technical team constantly kunabantu abasuke be-communicate nabo. Even nange-half time leyo nto leyo niyayenza. So with the-Chiefs nge-half time into engizibuza yona bayenzile in actual match analysis where bepointa khona ama mistake laba wenzile nge-first half, because immediately maybe buya nge-second half bayaphinda futhi Chiefs yenza i-mistake kuphi emove yahluleka Richards Bay ukcapitalize, but hamba ucheck igoal le Richards Bay uCross ushaya i-mistake i-Richards Bay sithatha ibhola uyakingela bani uGumedo vele ubebakhathaza even nange-first leg I think waphuma elimele. Remember football is a game of patterns. Imoto driver inoma ubani ayikho into enhle ezophuma kuyo. Siyabonga.
Thank you Minia.